So this is my impact wrench. This is the AutoZone tool that you use to try to get off inner tie rod, which is fused onto this 32-year-old Corolla. You grab one of these and put it inside of this and use your impact and hope that that unscrews. But now that thing is so fused on there trying to get it off that it won't come off of my wrench. So I got this clamp right here and I'm trying to remove the let's see if I can do this with I don't think I can do it with one hand, but let's see. Prop it up on this axle box. Nope. Or maybe I could flip the So I'm going to try to remove the inner tie rod tool from the wrench. Worked. Hell yeah.